Welcome to Monmouth Moment. I'm your host, Addie Smith. This is going to be a brand new podcast that we're starting here at Monmouth, basically just talking to new students, talking about our experiences, and pretty much everything having to do with Monmouth College. So first, I'm here with Riley. Do you want to say a little bit about yourself?
Sure. I'm Riley King. I am a junior here at Monmouth. I'm from Aledo, Illinois, so I'm only about 30 minutes away. Here at Monmouth, I am a marketing communication studies double major with a business administration minor. I'm involved in our newspaper, The Courier, Pi Beta Phi. I'm going to be a Scout ambassador and a part of Student Senate next semester. I'm working for the marketing communications department this summer, so I've kind of been on campus a little bit this summer. I think that's about it.
That's about it,
I think so.
Riley's one of the most involved students that I know here on campus.
I like to stay busy.
Yeah. We have some things in common.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we're both similar majors. I'm also a communication studies and public relations double major. So we've had a few classes together. I'm on the swim team here at Monmouth. I'm a speech tutor. I'm also a Scouts ambassador, so I'll get to work with you again.
Yeah.
And basically, what a Scouts ambassador is here at Monmouth is you give tours to students. We help at different events, scholarship competitions, all sorts of stuff, just kind of helping new students get oriented to Monmouth and what Monmouth is. But yeah, we're going to kind of just talk today about what our experiences have been here at Monmouth, and also just what is it like being a local student and attending Monmouth? So how did you find out about Monmouth?
So I did the College for Kids program when they used to do that in elementary school, and that was kind of my first experience here at Monmouth. And then later on, when they did the all sports camp here, and got to stay on campus, stay in a dorm. I stayed in Bowers. So that was just a great experience to kind of see what college life was like as a younger student before I got into high school. And that was kind of my first moment where I felt like Monmouth could be somewhere that I saw myself. And then when it came time to look at colleges, Monmouth was kind of my number one. I'm going to stick and kind of look here. I liked the idea of being close to home and having a small campus similar to my high school.
Yeah, and I think that's one of the really nice things about Monmouth is if you do go to a smaller school, our schools were kind of mediums. I feel like compared to some other schools, we have students that come to Monmouth and their schools are way smaller than ours,
100%.
which is insane to think about.
Yeah.
But it's really nice to kind of go from more of one of our local schools, such as Mercer County, right? Mercer County and Monmouth, Roseville, to Monmouth College. It's funny that you brought up all sports camp because I also did all sports camp. I loved it. It was awesome.
It was so fun.
It's crazy how many students actually attend Monmouth now that did that program. And it was just so fun. You ate in the caf, you stayed in Bowers, we used Huff. So it was really nice to see all the facilities. But also just kind of being a local student, I guess, you can share your perspective and then I'll share mine. But is it nice going to school closer to home? Are you still able to be independent, or how do you feel about that whole situation?
I think it's really nice because you can still have your independence and I can stay down here for months if I wanted to, but if there's a weekend where there's an event going on, or if I have a family event or something going on at home, I can always go home for a couple days and easily come back for classes on Monday. So I think it is very nice because if I was across the country, the opportunity's not there. I'm independent, but I don't have the opportunity to go home if I wanted to.
And I always tell students that as well. I live 2 blocks away from school, and I chose to live on campus, and it's been amazing. Exactly what you said. That's one nice thing about being a local student is if there's any sort of family events, even if there's an emergency or anything, you can just go home. I always tell people I like to go home if I ever want a home cooked meal. Yeah. If I need a break from the caf, I'll go home and have my mom's food, and it's amazing. But I think that is one of the privileges of being a local student is just being able to be independent, grow, learn new things, have that college experience, I guess, but still be close to your community, be close to your people. So what would you say to I guess students that would be thinking about coming to Monmouth as a local student? Would you encourage it? Would you tell them to look around? I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, I feel I would definitely encourage looking somewhere close because I feel the people that want to go far it takes a lot to go that far away, especially if you're very close to your family.
Do you have any like friends here at Monmouth that are from
I have a few from
where
my
are they from? Do you know where any of them?
I'm trying to think. I have one from California, which is kind of insane to me. I know there's someone on the swim team from Hawaii.
Yes.
Which is crazy to me.
Yeah.
There's a girl in my sorority, she graduated, but she's from Australia. Like, stuff like that where it's just, like, I could never imagine.
And I know, like, some of them, speak on their experiences. And I know, like, the biggest thing they say is, like, make friends. Like, find your new family. And, like, having those experiences. But, sorry if you...
I don't even remember what I was
I
saying.
know. You gotta, like,
Oh, yes. Okay. So I would recommend, if you want to go far, you can find some colleges far. Yeah. But definitely find a college close to you that you feel like you enjoy enough that if something were to happen far away, you can come back to being close to home and find another place that you really like to be. And I think Monmouth allows a lot of opportunities to be involved in a lot of things, which I think is a lot of high school students are involved in a lot at high school, and they get to college, and it's harder to become involved in so many things. But I feel like Monmouth is a college where you can do a lot of things that you did in high school, or you can try a lot of new things and still keep up with your academics and keep up with everything else that's going on here on campus.
And I think that's nice, like whether you're a local student or you're an out-of-state student, like you can do whatever you want here at Monmouth. Like I never would have thought I would be like a speech tutor in college, like just being the student I was in high school, like I was very independent. So knowing like what I do now versus what I did in high school, I completely agree. And like one nice thing also just about being a local student here at Monmouth, like for me personally, like I'm from Monmouth, so I know a lot of people here. You know, I'm a townie, so I get the slang term, but it's so nice to like go out into the community with like my friends that are from far away and introduce them to like people that I know. And like a lot of my friends have became friends with like my hometown friends, and it's just really nice to see like communities come together. And I guess like one thing that Monmouth does a lot too is like on campus events, like we bring in like different schools to campus, and they do a whole bunch. Like I know Monmouth Roseville does a lot with the college, so I think that's really cool too to kind of see like people that I've grown up with experience what I get to experience now in college. Does your high school do anything with Monmouth? I don't know if Mercer
we
County
do a couple like band things down here.
Oh yeah, like honor bands.
Yeah,
honor
we come down here for that. I feel like that might be the main thing. I know. I think it was my junior year, maybe my senior year. We had like the opportunity to take a tour down here and like come for a day, and come with a group of students and take a tour down here, which was really nice. So then you could do it during a school day, and the school would kind of give you transportation and stuff like that for that. But I feel like band is a big thing at my high school, so that was a big thing here.
Band is a big thing for a lot of these local high schools. Like I was in band in high school, so
same.
like what did you play?
I played saxophone.
Oh, nice. I played the clarinet. I was basic, so nothing too cool. But another like really cool thing I feel like about Monmouth and like doing all of that is just like when the positions that we're in now, especially like as a Scott ambassador, it's really nice to like kind of tell local students about like what they can experience here at Monmouth and how it is so different. Like even though you go from one small community to maybe another small community, there are drastic differences. I feel like my relationships here are a lot stronger than the ones I had in high school, which has been really nice. I don't know if you can speak.
I mean, I have like both, but I definitely think I've formed a lot of strong relationships here. I definitely think living on campus, if you have like the means to do it, is very beneficial. Because like the nights where you can just like run across the hall to like your friend's room, they're just so fun. And like having that opportunity for at least 4 years is, I think, very beneficial.
Which is another big pro. Like at Monmouth, you like live on campus all 4 years. And I personally love that about our college because everyone's in the same area. And you literally, like you said, you can go to a different dorm. You don't have to worry about going so many miles away to see your friends, to hang out, to make plans, which is one thing I love about going to a smaller college. But I know we probably will be running short soon, but I want to like pivot, kind of talk about like maybe some experiences that we've had here at Monmouth. Just because it's hilarious in my opinion. Riley and I both did a class this past semester if you're a communication studies major, you do a practicum class where you have experiences on the radio or newspaper, and then you make a film.
Yeah.
And one of our films we did this semester was a play on The Bachelor, which was great. We each had a role.
Yeah.
What was your role again?
I was athletic girl.
So we had like everyone took a different role. I was privileged enough to help be director and producer of the film, but I also got to be an actor. I was smart girl, and then we had rich girl, and then we had art girl.
Yeah.
And everyone went on a date with the same guy.
Yeah.
And I don't know, you guys should go check it out. It's on YouTube, Communication Studies, Monmouth College. Go watch it. It's hilarious.
It's like 10 minutes long.
It is.
Which
it's
is crazy.
It's great, though, because, like, I mean, you get to watch the editing process, which is nice.
Yeah.
It's really good for collaboration because you work with so many different people. We worked with someone named Seamus. He was our bachelor.
Yeah.
And if anyone knows Seamus, you know that he is a fun, interesting dude.
Yeah, for sure.
Which we can say because he's in all of our classes.
Yeah.
He's also a fellow communication studies major. So just getting to do fun things like that. I don't know if you really get to do that at bigger schools.
Yeah, definitely.
I really don't know, like, or have the connections to be able to do that and, like, feel comfortable. I mean, at first it was uncomfortable because it always is.
Yeah, but then you get used to it, and having, like, a small group of people, like, to kind of get comfortable with makes it way easier. Yeah,
and then when you go to a school like Monmouth, you get so close with your professors. Like, Chris is the department chair here at Monmouth for the communications program, and we are both pretty close with Chris.
Yeah.
And I think that makes it 10 times better. It's a very like lighthearted environment where you can joke around. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to speak on that because I think that was a fun.
It was so fun
experience.
It was a good time.
This past year. But yeah, I don't know. Is there anything else that you want to touch on before?
I think that was pretty good. I think there's just so much more you can do here, like having a liberal arts education that you wouldn't get anywhere else. And I think that's just like what makes Monmouth special compared to all these other schools.
Yeah, it is. You get to explore so many different niches, so many different classes. You get to talk to different professors. Like when I came in, I was undecided and I changed my major 3 times until I finally figured out like what I want to do.
Yeah.
And I don't think that would have happened if I went to like a larger university. So I'm very blessed to have had that guidance here at Monmouth. I'm Addie.
And I'm Riley.
And we're students ready for success.